Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird Bead Kingdom is here, and today I'm going to show you how to make exactly this necklace, which looks kind of piercing. It's made on invisible thread, so it looks like it sticks right out of your neck, which makes strangers curious. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this necklace. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. For this project I'm going to use my favorite illusion cord by the Beadsmith. This is invisible thread, it looks like this. It's just perfect for our design. I'm going to use crystal, lobster clasp, these clamshell findings. I will also need a couple of jump rings and crimp tubes. I've took everything I need from my local bead store, the Greenbird store. You can go to your local bead store to grab supplies you will need for this tutorial. Everything I am using, the list of the materials can be found in the description field under this video, so go there, check everything, make a shopping list, or maybe just go to your stash, grab everything you need, and let's get started. If you noticed my earrings and if you appear to like them, I have good news for you. I made them myself and you can do this also because I have a tutorial ready for you. You can check it here. So you can click this link for tutorial. I'm going to unspool some of the cord, something like this. And now I'm going to string a crimp finding and after that a clamshell finding. But before I do this, I'd like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our tutorials in the future. Okay, the crimp finding and the clamshell finding. I'm stringing the crimp, the clamshell finding. Please note I haven't cut my thread from spool yet, I just want to unspool a little more. And now I'm going to string this crystal. It has 4 holes. I'm going to pass through these 2, like this. And now again another clamshell finding and the crimp finding. Take your tools, the pliers or the crimper as in my case, and I'm going to squeeze this crimp with it. Just a squeeze like this. Now I'm going to check if everything is secure. Okay, perfect. And now I'm bringing this clamshell finding closer to it. Then I cut off the excess of the thread here close to the crimp. Okay, now I'm bringing this clamshell finding onto the crimp and I squeeze it with my fingers. It's kind of soft, you can use your fingers, not tools. I know you noticed my gorgeous, beautiful beaded rings. I have the tutorials here ready for you, you can check them here. You can make these for yourself. And now I'm going to add a clasp to this finding. I'm taking the jump ring, then I open it, then I put my clamshell finding onto it. Then the chain part of the clasp. Okay, now I'm closing the jump ring. So this is how it looks like. Okay, perfect, we've attached the clasp. Now it's time to add the clasp to the other side of the necklace, but before I do this I need to measure and decide which length of the necklace I want it to be. So that's why I haven't cut it from the spool yet. So I will need this to make a final decision. I'm going to try this on. And keep in mind that it should stay here. So yes, I guess this length would be okay. And now when I determine the length of my necklace, I'm going to put the crimp here, where my other lobster clasp is going to be. And now I'm going to squeeze it with my pliers or magical crimper tool in my case. So we are doing the very same thing that we did with the first crimp. Just squeeze it, check that it's perfectly in place, that it's not moving or going anywhere. Now we can cut off the thread. Here we have our clamshell finding waiting for us already. So we're bringing this onto the crimp and I'm going to close this with my fingers. And now I'm jumping. I'm taking the jump ring and I'm going to open it with my tools. Then I put the clamshell finding onto it. Then a lobster clasp. Then I close the jump ring. And the necklace is ready. Actually, it is so strange to call this a necklace, but I think it is a necklace. Let me try this on. Now it's your turn. Go grab supplies and make these for yourself or the ones you really love. Don't forget to like this video if you appear to like this tutorial, and subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials in the future. Write something in the comments, maybe a thank you or maybe your suggestions or notes or anything. And don't forget to come here next week. Bye!